Teddy and Timmy Edutainment, a complete family channel. Hindi moral stories and kids learning videos.
Yellow, yellow sun, orange, orange frisbee, red, red racing car, green, green Christmas tree, blue, blue hammer toy, pink, pink airplane,
Let me teach you the body part song. Let us sing this whole day long. Baby, do you wanna learn? Knowledge is so great to earn. This is my baby's head, Mummy's head, Daddy's head. There is a brain so nice, makes my son very wise.
This is my kiddo's face. My baby is full of grace. Everyone's face is not the same. God has played a funny game.
Look at my baby's eyes. They are so wide and nice. 2 eyes helps us see. Everything seems good to me.
These are 2 delicate ears, my child. They listen to any sound, loud or mild. When we always talk or sing, my son can hear everything.
Look at my baby's cute nose. With this you can smell the rose. Your nose is there to breathe and smell. Baby got it, all is well.
The mouth is an amazing body part. God has created a work of art. It has lips, tongue and teeth. These help us to speak and eat.
This is the throat, let me show. Sound box inside, do you know? We have the voice, such a magical thing. It helps us to talk and sing.
These are 2 hands of my
legs we have, you see, they are full of energy. Very important part, my son. They make us walk, dance and run.
My baby's chest has a heart inside. The heart is our biggest guide. The stomach is just below the chest. That's all, son. Now time to rest.
Let us teach you the vehicle song, the public transport vehicle song.
People travel in these every day.
With these toys, now we will play.
The three-wheeler auto is right here.
Great to ride it without fear.
A good vehicle to move around.
See, it's going round and round. This is a taxi, do you know?
Tell me where you want to go.
This vehicle is worth a ride.
Baby, let me be your guide.
My son, this is a school bus,
Which is very special to us.
kids ride on it to go to school.
The bus looks trendy and so cool.
The train is my son's favorite toy.
While playing with it, he is full of joy.
The train is whistling, coo, coo, coo.
It's making noise, toot, toot, toot.
The aeroplane flies really high.
Makes us travel through the sky.
Traveling by it is really fun.
Enjoyed by everyone.
This vehicle is called the ship.
Let's go on a lovely trip.
This ship sails on the deep sea.
That's all, my son. Now come